Who says that I can't be something? It's aalyiahjanae, and I'm here to stay. You can go to sleep, cause I ain't going away. And get some coffee, cause I ain't going away. Stay mad at me, cause I ain't going away. I ain't going away.
Rain comes falling down, late night when you go out.
What's up, y'all? So today we finna slay this copper red lace front wig. Yes, it is heat resistant. Yes, it is a synthetic hair. Yes, I'm finna slay it. Watch it. Let's go. I put a little makeup on it. I, sprayed some of that glue. And I blow dried it multiple times because I want to make sure the lace was not going to come off. Like, who wants some, you want to be able to get in a fight, you guys. Like, that's how tight this was. Multiple times. So, y'all going to see me spray a lot of glue. And yeah, it may be looking weird, but keep watching. Y'all see the results at the beginning. I'm finna slay this look. So this wig actually was, it's like 2.5 inches parting the space in the front that I just showed you. And these curls were these curls held. Even though I brushed it out multiple times, the curls really held. This was a really bold color to go with too. Like, I didn't think I was gonna do this. Look at me trying to part it. Ooh, killing them. Scalp wear, y'all. Scalp wear. I know y'all can see that duck. Yeah, and this is me. I'm trying to. So I don't do baby hairs. I really don't. I'd rather just put it on. But I was trying to do something different. So here's me trying to pluck them and cut them and try to glue it down. But you guys, I have the worst edge control. I don't know what edge control to use to slick these down. I actually used the Got2b glue gel and not gel. I used the Got2b glue to spray it down. Like, I need some better edge control. Look at that. But yeah, I tried my best, y'all. I think I did pretty well. I personally think I did pretty well. Y'all ready? Y'all ain't ready for this. Y'all ain't ready. Hold on, y'all. Y'all ain't ready. I'm gonna be pumping myself up a little bit, but to be my first time actually laying it down and trying and not trying to be quick with it, I think I did pretty well. Don't y'all think? Let me know.